Alright. We're going to the graveyard now.
Cemetery.
We're gonna have fun.
We try to do a little change of pace. Yeah. We'll give it a shot.
Alright. See ya. Alright, we here.
Why is there a random car?
Back at it. I'll go something. Again. It's so fucking cold. I don't want to stay on the path. I don't want to go over any people right now. What do you want to do, EVP? Gotta warm up. Alright, I'm warm. What do you want to do, EVP?
I don't know.
Let's grab one of the most important tools in history of ghost hunting. Oh. Thought I got something. My back is tensing up so bad. Is that Toyota? I'm pretty sure that's Toyota. That's 100% Toyota. What? I just caught that on camera. I just caught that.
You did not catch it.
I just caught that on camera. If there's anybody here, can you please make this go off? I'm shaking right now because I'm so cold. Jesus Christ.
Can we pull out the SLS?
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna keep this off because it keeps going off.
The fuck was that?
Alright, let's do an EVP session. Yo, where the hell are you going? Oh shit. What is this? This looks like where someone would have died.
Is this where the boy died?
Nah, I'm not. It's not. Damn. Scared the shit out of me.
Jesus, come outside.
Fucking stick.
For the night. Take your time. Get your room. Tiny thing. Go in there?
Oh, I need a better view of this. Oh shit!
What?
It's a pond.
That's a pond?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
Damn, you almost pushed me into the pond. Oh, look at that. It's weird. Fuck was that? Let's go.
I'm not kidding. We did the thumbnail right here while I was crawling out. And I had this big Mr. Beast face.
Yo, something just moved right beside me, bro. I don't like that. I don't like that.
Yuri, thumbnail right here. I'm crawling out of the sewer.
No, you're gonna get pulled in. That's some Pennywise shit, bro. Don't do that.
I'm not gonna get pulled in.
That's some Pennywise shit, bro.
Yo, we need to take a photo of me.
Yo, something just moved right behind us. Something just moved right behind us.
What?
Something just moved right behind us.
What?
Something just moved right behind you. Right as you went in. Right as you went in.
There's nothing behind me. Can you record that?
I got that. That was fucking... You wanna go back to that spot where the pond is?
You wanna go back?
Let's go. We gotta investigate what the fuck that was. I'm about to have nightmares, bro. If I see a kid's head pop out of the water, fucking hell.
That'd be so fucking scary.
Word. Yo, if I catch a shadow figure, we're out of here. We're fucking out of here. Hey, watch my 3. Watch my 6. Gotta hear high res. Yeah, let's go to the path over here. I want to see if we can go farther back. Oh yeah, we can go a lot farther back.
Oh my god.
We got plenty of exploring to do. What the fuck? Damn.
A fly.
Fly.
In my ear.
W fly for scaring the shit out of Sebastian. I'm joking.
That was no joke though.
That was no joke. Alright. Yo, this is mad scary. Yo, there's lights over there. I was freaking. What the hell? Did you just like do a 360? That was weird. Oh shit, that's the real graveyard. Let's go there.
The real.
Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, I see this shit. I see this shit.
Damn, I just heard somebody walking, bro. I'm watching our 6. You watch our 12.
Yeah, I got you.
You gotta guide me though, cause I don't know where I'm going.
Just keep going.
I'm walking backwards, guys. This is happy. This is so happy. Oh shit.
Alright.
Are we good? We good. Yo, if a little kid pops out, just runs across, I'm gonna fucking scream.
Well, if we chase him.
If we chase him and they're like, "Come here, little boy," I'm gonna put like an overlay of Drake.
What is Zeppin?
If it was Zeppin, that would have been funny. He just runs across.
Harris!
Jesus Christ! Jesus Christ!
I thought that was a kid.
No.
Harris.
We're gonna keep that in the
Kamala.
video.
Look, it's Kamala.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm using wide light because I don't feel safe with the short light anymore. We got Harris right here.
Kamala Harris said.
Oh, that's wood.
No, you heard that, right? I heard that.
Yeah.
What's it down there?
Why does it sound like someone splashing in the water?
You hear that? I heard like the splash, like a whole bloop.
No, there's like a little pitter patter in the water, and it was fucking creepy. Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. Gotta trip. Hey, you gotta come with me.
I'm coming.
You gotta come with me. You gotta come with me.
I'm coming.
You gotta come with me. Oh shit!
Go.
You just throw a rocket. No, I didn't do anything. I didn't
You heard that, right?
Go, take it right over here. Take it right over here. Time to go invest this weird ass fucking pond. I swear to God, if a frog comes out, I'm gonna shoot it. What are you gonna shoot it with? I don't know.
Let's go.
No, that's weird. Alright, I guess I go first this time. Again.
I got the SOS.
No, I think it jumped in here.
You sure?
Yeah, this was like right in front of me.
What? What's that? What was that?
That was another frog. That was another frog.
That was not a frog, bro. That's one taking a shit in the way.
Yo. Why are you screaming like a girl?
I'm shitting in the way.
Why are you screaming like a girl?
In the way.
Who the fuck this is?
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. That was mad. That was mad. Thanks for watching episode 2. We'll see you guys later. Peace.